Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a soup, but not just any soup. This is gonna be traditional Spanish fish soup. Sopa de Pescado in español. In Spanish, that is. I got my seafood from Schuitenmaker, which is the best shop around where I'm working. Practically my neighbor. So let's have a look. This is codfish and shrimps. 200 grams of beautiful codfish plus 200 grams of beautiful shrimps in their shells. These two are gonna make a beautiful fish soup. First up, it's gonna be the preparations. That means the vegetables, the aromatics for the soup. Celery, in my humble opinion, is one of the basic aromatics in any kind of soup, stew or any other kind of dish. So I'm gonna cut this roughly. So is carrot, shallot, three cloves of garlic. Just brush them with your knife. And slice these just a little bit. Then for the ultimate Spanish experience, I'm using red paprika. So I'm just gonna slice this in strips. Gonna use my special fish knife for this. Of course, this cod is very beautiful, very fresh. The smell is incredible. So I'm gonna cut this into bite-sized pieces. Not too big, not too small. Something like this. What I'm gonna do is basically put all the aromatics, all the vegetables into the boiling hot potato, celery, carrot, red onion, shallot onion, and the paprika. All in there one time. Plus the garlic. Then I put Spanish smoked paprika. Time. Turmeric for the fragrance and for the color. A little bit more black pepper. Was nice. Parsley, yeah, why not? Plus some nice fish stock. Then I put the heat back on. This soup smells incredible. Already I'm going into the codfish. Codfish will be in there for 4 minutes. Then shrimp. 2 minutes only. Everything is like ready. That is Spanish seafood fish soup. Alright. That codfish. I love cod. That's like the best fish around. Now I'm gonna try this. Shrimp. Oh yeah, that's the most briny Mediterranean flavorsome everything soup. I love this soup. Vegetables, crustaceans, everything. That is nice. Portuguese wine. I know it should be Spanish, but anyway, I like Portuguese wine. Finished everything. Well, that means the soup, of course, because I've still got some bread, some wine. Wanna thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep enjoying your food and your wine like I do.